Life happens quickly, and your money should be able to keep up with you. Whether you're paying a friend back for lunch or sending money to your child in college, we have made sending person-to-person payments easy, free, and instant. Here's how you can send money securely and in real time directly to the bank debit card of your friends and family without the need to install another app. To get started, simply log into your mobile banking app or internet banking platform. Click Transfers, and under the Move Money section, click on New Transaction. Next, choose the account from which you want to transfer money. Now it's time to choose a recipient. If you've previously sent P2P payments, you will see your past recipients here and can simply select those recipients again. If this is your first time sending a P2P payment, you will need to click Add New Payee at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Person to Person. Here, you will enter the recipient's information, including their name and how you would like to notify the recipient of your payment. You can pay the recipient via email, text message, or you can enter the recipient's debit card information if you have it. It's important to note that the recipient's debit card must be a Visa or MasterCard issued in the United States. When finished, select Add Payee at the bottom of the screen. Next, you will need to enter the dollar amount you'd like to send and click Accept. If necessary, you can also add a note for the recipient. Once you've filled in these details, click Continue. It is important to review your transaction to ensure everything is correct before submitting, because payments cannot be changed once you send them. Once you've reviewed your transfer, simply click Submit and your payment will be on its way to the recipient. Accepting the payment on the recipient's end is just as easy. Depending on what notification method you chose, they will receive an email or text message notifying them of your payment. This example shows a text message notification. This message will include a secure link and tell the recipient how much money you'd like to send them. The recipient will need to click the link and enter their debit card information. But don't worry, this is a completely secure transaction. And just like that, you have completed your P2P payment.